It's affordable, it's small, it's lightweight, and it has a very useful combination of tools for its size. The Leatherman Squirt PS4 is one of the most useful parts of my everyday carry. This is just a 2¼ inches long, or just over 57 millimeters, and weighs 1.9 ounces or just over 56 grams. It's made of stainless steel with aluminium handle scales. With the exception of the pliers, all the tools are accessible from the outside, and it has aluminium handle scales that come in red, black, and I have the blue version here. And it's got Leatherman's usual 25-year warranty. The pliers are spring-loaded, and they work very, very well for their size. You've got your needle nose section there, your standard plier section there, and you've got wire cutters there. Don't try to cut anything too massive with them. They are a tiny little pair of pliers after all, and the laws of physics apply with these just like everything else. Has a small blade on it. It's a chisel ground, sort of slight drop point to it. It's only 1.6 inches or just over 40 millimeters long. That's how small it is in relation to the face of my watch. So the blade is 420 high carbon steel. It sharpens quite easily, doesn't hold an edge brilliantly, but it makes up for it with ease of sharpening. It has a double-sided file on it. One's for metal, the other one's for metal, that one's for wood, and it has this edge has got the file serration on it as well, which can be used for notching. I found the most useful thing with this file was actually, if I forget to take my nail clippers with me when I'm away for a couple of days, I just simply use that to stop it getting stopping my nails growing out of all control. Now on the other side here, we have a small pair of spring-loaded scissors. They work just fine for their size. Don't try and do too much with them though, because, well, after all, they're only tiny little things. Comes with a small flathead screwdriver and a bottle opener. I've never used the bottle opener. I have it on good authority that it works though. Yeah, don't try and do too much. Yeah, again, don't over torque your screwdriver heads. And this is a small two-dimensional Phillips head one. For their size and weight, and the weight limitations involved, it's an extremely useful little package. I like it a lot, and I highly recommend it to anyone considering getting one. Thanks for watching.